Hey there, movie buffs and finance fans. Ever noticed how some of the best financial lessons don't come from textbooks or seminars, but from the big screen? Yup, Hollywood's been dropping gems about money, risk, and human behavior for decades. Hidden in thrilling dramas, sharp comedies, and even some inspiring true stories.
Brighter, I've been up all night, you've been my world.
So today, let's grab some popcorn and dive into financial lessons from movies. You ready? Let's roll. The Big Short first up, The Big Short. This 2015 masterpiece isn't just about the 2008 financial crisis. It's a masterclass in understanding the importance of due diligence. Remember when Michael Burry, played by Christian Bale, digs deep into the mortgage-backed securities and realizes the system is rotten?
It's only a matter of time before someone else sees this investment. We have to act now.
How do you know the bonds are worthless? Aren't they filled with fucking thousands of
Pages of mortgages?
I read them.
You read them?
Yes.
No one reads them. Only the lawyers who put them together read them.
I don't think that they even know what they've made. The housing market is propped up on these bad loans. It's a time bomb, and I want to short it.
Through what instrument, Michael? There are no insurance contracts or options for mortgage bonds. The bonds are too stable.
Lawrence, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to get a bank to make me one.
The takeaway? Always do your homework. Whether you're investing in stocks, starting a business, or just deciding to buy that expensive gadget, don't take things at face value. Dive into the numbers, ask questions, and trust your gut if something doesn't feel right. The Pursuit of Happiness. Then there's The Pursuit of Happiness. Will Smith's character, Chris Gardner, teaches us
Show
the
up
power of
early.
resilience.
All
Financial
day.
success isn't
My name is Chris Gardner, calling
It's
for Mr.
about
Michael
grit,
Anderson.
determination,
Yes, sir. We're having a
and
lunch
adaptability.
actually this Thursday.
Gardner's journey from being homeless to becoming a successful stockbroker is proof that hard
Yes, sir.
work and perseverance can lead to
Feeling
breakthroughs, no
underrated
matter how tough
and
things
unappreciated.
Hello, Mr. Ronald Fryer. Why, good morning to you, sir. My name is Chris Gardner, and I'm calling from Dean Witter. Yes, I have some very, very valuable information on what's called a tax. Okay, thank you, sir. Mr. Ribbon. Well, hello, sir. My name is Chris Gardner. I'm calling from Dean Witter.
Yeah, Chris.
Yes, Mr. Ribbon, I would love to have the opportunity to sit with you to discuss some of our products, and I'm certain that I could be of some assistance to you.
Can you be here in 20 minutes?
20 minutes, absolutely.
Just had someone cancel. Come now. I'll give you a few minutes before the 49ers. Monday Night Football, buddy.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Life will throw curveballs, but staying focused on your goals, that's priceless. Wall Street. Next, let's talk Wall Street. Gordon Gekko, the iconic anti-hero, drops some hard truths about greed and ambition.
Yep. On a daily basis, I consume enough drugs to sedate Manhattan, Long Island, and Queens for a month. Okay, Mr. Jordan.
Now, don't get me wrong, greed is good isn't exactly the motto to live by. But what Gekko really shows us is the importance of ambition tempered with ethics.
And I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this.
The moment you let greed take over, you lose sight of sustainability, relationships, and even your peace of mind.
Money doesn't just buy you a better life, better food, better cars, better pussy. It also makes you a better person. You can give generously to the church or political party of your choice. You can save the fucking spotted owl with money.
So hustle, but don't let your values slip. The social network. Of course, I couldn't leave out the social network. The rise of Facebook highlights two critical lessons. First, the importance of seizing opportunities. Mark Zuckerberg, played by Jesse Eisenberg, acts quickly on an idea that becomes a global phenomenon. Second, it's a reminder to value your partnerships. Burning bridges, like he did with Eduardo Severin, can cost more than just money. Whether in business or life, relationships are assets. Protect them.
Let's sue him in federal court.
I can't wait to stand over your shoulder and watch you write as a check.
If you guys were the inventors of Facebook, you'd have
invented Facebook.
Is there anything that you need to tell me?
Your actions could have permanently destroyed everything I've been working on.
We have been working on.
Did you like being a joke? Do you want to go back to that? Mark!
Moneyball. How about Moneyball? This film isn't just for baseball fans. It's a lesson in innovation and thinking outside the box. Billy Beane, played by Brad Pitt, uses data analytics to build a competitive team on a tight budget. The takeaway? Numbers don't lie. In both sports and finance, leveraging data can lead to smarter decisions and unexpected wins. It's all about finding value where others don't see it.
This is the code that I've written for our year-to-year projections. This is building in all the intelligence that we have to project players.
Okay.
Using stats the way we read them, we'll find value in players that nobody else can see. People are overlooked for a variety of biased reasons and perceived flaws. Age, appearance, personality. Bill James and mathematics cut straight through that.
Jerry Maguire. Let's not forget Jerry Maguire. Beyond the famous "show me the money" line, this movie reminds us about the importance of personal connections in business. Jerry, played by Tom Cruise, learns that genuine relationships matter more than just making a quick buck. Clients and colleagues aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They're people. Build trust, show loyalty, and you'll create success that lasts.
Ever seen him kiss a man just like a dad?
Don't cry at the beginning of a date. Yeah, just cry at the end like I do.
All right, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite financial movie and what did it teach you? Until next time.